The dog on the motorcycle is one of the hardest figures that you can make without using a pinch pop sequence. Note that I normally use a green balloon. The difference, each colour is going to behave differently due to the pigments reacting with the rubber. So you may want to just select one colour that you do this in and do it in that colour always. So normally you're going to blow the balloon up about 15 to 18 inches depending upon the colour. So as I said, each pigment will make the balloon behave slightly differently. Self in doubt, go for about 15 inches inflated to start with. So it's 15 inches is 30, about 40 centimetres. So what we're going to do is we're going to start at the knot end. We're going to squeeze the air out, making it really soft. So that should be a very soft bubble. I make 2 half-inch bubbles. And I twist those 2 half-inch bubbles together, lock twist. Then comes the tricky bit, this bit here, this bubble. I'm going to put a twist in there about half an inch from the end. I'm then going to drag that bubble over this bit here, this pinch. I'm going to wrap around that pinch there. I'm going to put all that around the pinch. So that will make the dog's head. By a tricky move, if that's not soft, you will pop a lot of balloons. I then make a small 3/4 inch bubble, and then I make a string of bubbles. So 1 inch, half inch, half inch, half inch, half inch, 1 inch bubble. So that, I lock twist those 2 bubbles together. That's going to be my front legs. I then put a 3/4 inch bubble on the back. Yeah, and I pinch twist that bubble. This will give my dog posture and keep the back straight. I then make an inch bubble for the body. And I'm going to make a 2 inch, just a short, small elephant ear. There, that 2 inch elephant ear is going to be the back wheel. So I'll make maybe an inch, and I lock twist those together, those 2 inch bubbles, another inch bubble, and I'll roll that through, so a 3 bubble roll through. If you don't have that 3 bubble roll through, you shouldn't be doing this figure. I'm now going to make an elephant ear with this bit that's left over. Pull it around. And if I've got enough, then I'm going to twist that bubble in half. So I have just enough. The reason I do that is now we take these bubbles here. Remember this pinch, this sequence we did earlier? 1 inch, half, 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 half. Between the second and third half inches, I'm going to pull that down. I'm going to roll that bubble through the gap. That will hold everything in position. So now, what we have is we have dog head, neck, body, legs, arms, wheels. Okay, we can make this even cooler by using a second balloon. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to blow this balloon up, and I'm just going to put a 1 inch bubble in there. Like that. And I'm going to tie a knot at the end, just like we do normally. And then I'm going to tie a knot at the other end of that bubble. So, then about an inch or so down, I'm going to rip the balloon, putting up a good fight today, in half. So now, I have a 1 inch bubble. Now I'm going to tie these 2 ends together. Keep the other bit that we just ripped off. I'm going to tie a reef knot on here. So now those 2 ends are tied together. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to grab this and put a twist in the middle. I now have 2 half-inch bubbles. So what I can do here with the dog, I'm going to put the 2 at the front, and I'm going to take these ends and I'm going to wrap it around that joint there. Woo! Dog now has goggles. Remember that bit that we tore off earlier? This bit here? The bit. I'm now going to wrap that around the neck. Not only has he got goggles, he's got a scarf.